Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Washington County and east central New York, south central Warren County and east central New York, northeastern Saratoga County and east central New York until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lake Luzerne Campground, or 7 miles west of Glens Falls, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near West Glens Falls by 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Glens Falls by 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Hudson Falls and Fort Edward by 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Hartford by 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within this storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Please report hail size.
That storm said it had weak rotation.
Down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US nationalweatherservice.albany.gov. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Saratoga, Warren, and Washington.
And now the hourly low.